welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Alana. I would love for you guys to hit that subscribe button so you guys can become a part of the family. As always, if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to my channel. Today we have another wig install video because lately I've been into bangs, but this wig, which you guys are gonna see in like 2 seconds, this wig is actually a straight bang bob wig. So we're gonna get into that later because if you guys have seen my past videos, I've been doing like a lot of curly banged units, but this one we're going for something a little different. It was sent to me by Gorgius, so thank you to Gorgius for sending me over this beautiful wig. First, the wig comes in a nice satin bag. Sent me over some goodies, elastic band, tweezers. It's always useful items that they always send over. They also sent me some cute little hoop earrings. I'm using this wig cap in today's video, so I'm gonna leave this out. Let's get into this wig. So this is a straight bob bang unit, and you guys, this is going to be a super easy install. You guys can see, here's the wig. You guys can see little bob action going on here. It also has bangs in the front, which I'm so excited for. Like I said, I've been really into bangs lately, so I'm so excited. So this is the inside of the wig. It kind of reminds me of like a T-part lace frontal, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know if this is or not, but it actually looks like one, so I'm gonna say that it is. I'm not too sure, but this wig does have lace on it, as you guys can see, but there's no reason to, bleach the knots unless you would want to. This isn't like a frontal wig or a closure wig where you have to like do baby hairs, or where basically the lace isn't really going to be showing, so there really is no point to bleach these knots. Very simple. Like I said, it's gonna be a super easy install, but this style, you guys, is gonna be so cute, so I'm so excited. This wig also has a built-in adjustable band, which is always good for extra security. It also has a comb in the back as well. This wig is literally straight out of the box, y'all. I did not wash it. I didn't do anything to it. Like, this is literally the wig straight out of the box. I'm just gonna get right into this. So what I'm gonna do is put some makeup on the lace. This is the wig straight out of the box, and as you can see, I'm gonna have to do some cutting on the bangs, and I'm gonna have to cut some of these pieces on the sides, because right now I don't know if this is supposed to be like an asymmetrical cut bob. Right now it's like super uneven. You guys can see we have some flyaways, some crooked pieces, like all that. So now what I'm gonna do is cut off this lace. So let me put these back. Put some of this wax stick on my hair a little bit up here so it could kind of help mold the hair. Iron this whole wig really quickly, and then I'm gonna get into cutting it, because right now I want this to be like a blunt. And don't mind this piece of hair right here, we're gonna situate that soon, but I want this to be like a blunt cut bob. I don't want this to be asymmetrical or nothing like that, so I'm gonna have to go in and cut this hair. So I'm just gonna flat iron it first though. All right, y'all, so I had to cut the back of the wig off my head because I couldn't see the back of my head. So now I'm gonna start flattening out this part a little bit more. So I just plugged in my hot comb so I can get this a little more situated, and I'm gonna start cutting these bangs because these bangs are not, they look a little crazy right now. But first I'm gonna just flatten out this. loves, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Alana. I would love for you guys to hit that subscribe button so you guys can become a part of the family. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to my channel. Installing this beautiful wig right here. This wig was so easy to install. It was basically a 1, 2, 3 process. I only used 2 hot tools to achieve this look. I only used my flat iron and my hot comb, and that was it. And I used a little bit of my wax stick as well as argan oil just to give the hair a little more shine. So this hair is from Gorgius, and you guys, I am obsessed with this hair. It looks so good. Like, it's really giving me like sophisticated businesswoman vibes. It's also giving me Edna. Like, every time I have a bob, it just reminds me of Edna. This is how it came out. It was so easy to achieve this look. As I said before, I did not wash this hair, you guys. This wig, just put it on straight out of the box. I did flat iron it, and I as well did cut this hair a little more shorter because I wanted it to be like a blunt cut. I'm not really a big fan of like asymmetrical cuts, or you know, the ones like go from short to long. Usually when I have bobs, I typically like for my bobs to just be one length on both sides. So I just feel like the bangs just add a little something to this hair, and I am loving it. Like I said, I usually don't wear bangs, but lately I've been into bangs lately, and I just think they look so good. And I think this hair came out so cute. All I basically did, you guys, was cut this hair to my liking. I as well did cut the bangs a little bit shorter, and that was it. There's really not much to say about this hair. Like, the process was so easy. You can literally install this wig in under 10 minutes. You guys are like in a rush, you know, you gotta go out somewhere, you gotta go on a date, wanna go out to the club with your friends, like just go to a party. Like, this wig will be perfect. This wig will also be perfect for pictures, of course. Did not bleach the knots in this wig, you guys. There's basically no reason to bleach the knots because you guys can obviously see the knots are not visible on this wig. Top of the wig look, so this is where the lace is basically. So it's kind of, I'm not too sure if this is a T-part lace wig. It basically reminds me of a T-part wig because there's only lace in the middle, and that's basically it. You could probably even style this wig in a different way, so I might try that out later on down the line. I don't know yet, but I just love it like this. Like, I'm loving this blunt cut bob, and like these bangs, they just look so good. I didn't do too much to the bangs. I just took my flat iron, cut it a little bit, and that was basically it. I did have to cut the back of the wig a little bit off my head because obviously I can't see the back of my head, so I went and trimmed it a little bit. It's probably still uneven in the back, honestly. I really don't even know. Another thing that I love about this wig is that this hair is super flowy, you guys. Like, look at this. Like, this wig is not giving stiff at all. Like, this wig is so flowy. And once I added the oil to the hair, it kind of gave it this beautiful shine to it. Like, it just looks so good, you guys. It looks so good. Like, I'm so happy with how this hair came out. More information about this hair, do not forget to check my description box down below. That's where all the information to this wig will be. So you guys, do not forget to follow me on my socials, always linked in the description box down below. I have a coupon code as always. It will be right here on the screen. You can save some money if you guys would like to purchase. That was it for today's video. Super easy install. If you guys enjoyed, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next video.